Welcome to this Yoga Nidra meditation focused on self-love. Begin by finding a comfortable space where you will not be disturbed. Lie down on your back in Shavasana. Allow your legs to splay apart naturally and your arms to rest by your sides, palms facing up. If needed, you might place a blanket under your head or knees, or use bolsters to support your legs. I invite you to place an eye pillow over your eyes to aid in relaxation. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle in, adjusting your position as needed to ensure you are completely comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Now begin to bring your attention inward. Think of a positive affirmation that resonates with self-love. It might be, I deeply love and accept myself, or I am deserving of love and kindness. Choose a statement that feels right for you. I invite you to whisper this affirmation to yourself silently 3 times, allowing its energy to root deep within your heart. Now we'll begin to shift the awareness to the physical body. Start at the tips of your toes. Feel into any sensations there. Slowly move your awareness up through your feet to your ankles, calves, knees, and thighs. Observe each part of the body without judgment, just being aware. Continue this rotation of consciousness up through your hips, abdomen, chest, and shoulders, down each arms to the fingertips, and then back up to the neck and the head. Finally, bring awareness to your facial features, your jaw, cheeks, eyes, forehead, and the crown of your head. As you scan your body, imagine a warm, loving light traveling with your awareness, filling each body part with love and acceptance. Now, gently shift your attention to your breath. Simply notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. If it helps, you might count your breaths. Inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 6. With each exhale, imagine releasing any self-doubt or negative thoughts about yourself. As you breathe here, I invite you to dive deeper into the emotional body. You might visualize a spectrum of emotions and allow any feelings of self-doubt, criticism, or negativity to come up. As you acknowledge each emotion, wrap it in the energy of your intention, your affirmation of self-love. Imagine these emotions being washed away, replaced by feelings of self-acceptance, love, and compassion. You might begin to imagine you are standing at the entrance of a beautiful garden. Majestic gates swing open, revealing the garden of your soul. Each step you take on the cobblestone path is a journey into your innermost essence. As you venture deeper, you can't help but notice the vibrant tapestry of colors stretching before you. Wildflowers in hues of sapphire blue, passionate red, gentle lavender, and sunlit yellow sway gently with the breeze. Each petal, each fragrance, each bloom symbolizes a unique aspect of your being. The roses represent the love you've given and received. The tall, sturdy oaks reflect your strength and resilience. The delicate lilies embody your vulnerabilities and the depths of emotions you carry. Fluttering butterflies dance around, whispering stories of transformation, reminding you of your journey from challenges to triumphs. The melody of chirping birds fills the air, a serenade that speaks of your passions, dreams, and aspirations. A stream meanders through the garden, its crystal clear waters reflecting the purity of your intentions. As you lean over a bridge, you see your reflection, the ripples capturing the various roles you've played, the experiences you've gathered, and the wisdom you've acquired. The sun above, in its radiant glory, showers golden rays upon you. Its warmth feels like a gentle embrace, comforting and assuring. It mirrors the love you're nurturing for yourself, illuminating every shadowed corner of your garden, encouraging growth and celebrating your essence. Nestled in a cozy nook is a bench. As you sit, you feel an overwhelming sense of peace. Here in the garden of your soul, you are reminded of your worth, your journey, and the infinite potential you hold. With each heartbeat, the garden thrives, a testament to the beautiful soul that is uniquely yours. You come across a serene pond. As you look into the water, you see a reflection of yourself. This reflection radiates love, kindness, and peace. I invite you to spend a few moments here, feeling the deep love and connection with your true self. Gently bring yourself back to the positive affirmation you set at the beginning of this meditation. You might whisper it to yourself 3 more times, embedding the sentiment deep into your heart and soul. And slowly begin to become aware of your surroundings, the surface beneath you, and the gentle rhythm of your breath. You might wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into the body. When you feel ready, stretch your arms overhead like you're waking up from a rejuvenating sleep. Gently roll to one side, resting there for a few moments. And when you're ready, slowly push yourself up to a sitting position. Open your eyes, returning to the world around you, carrying with you the self-love and peace you've cultivated in this session.